Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is the Goodwill Commodities starting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. This tiny white color candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 6,230. What we expected yesterday was we expected that crude has got the potential to continue and maintain its uptrend, having 6,202, 6,226, 6,160, and the bottom support zone is 6,120. So it has got the potential to maintain its uptrend, having these various support levels, and the price was taking a constant resistance around 6,260. If the trend continues, we expect the price to reach 6,302 and 6,320. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. After the price opening, we know that the price opened above the key support zone of 6,226. That pushed the price straight away to test 6,220, where it found a resistance like what happened on the previous day, that was on February 11th. So the price came down, again took some support and tried to hit the resistance. It was quite successful in breaking this resistance and staying above 6,260. We know that yesterday we had crude oil inventory report, so the price was waiting for crude oil inventory report. This was the area where we got this crude oil inventory report. On seeing the price action, we can say that the price didn't stay above 6,260 constantly after the inventory report, so that pushed the price down to 6,226 again. So our charting tool is also indicating there is some momentum for selling and the price is losing its momentum for buying. So the price came down to test the next support zone, and finally the price closed around 6,220. This was the entire price action we witnessed in the yesterday's market. We can split this price action into two parts. One is before the inventory report. Still we get the inventory report, crude was staying with a trend, and after the report it was finding some resistance around 6,260 to test all the key support zone. If you look at the open high low close analysis, yesterday's price opening, when we compare with the previous day, yesterday's market opened a bit lower compared to the previous day. It had created a new high, it had not created a minor, it had created a new low, but not a very big difference. More or less it is equal compared to the previous day. When we see the price closing, both are neutral, almost it is neutral. We got a neutral price closing compared to the previous day. The price closed, yesterday's price closing was a bit lower compared to the yesterday's price opening. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves? On seeing the NYMEX price direction, we could predict that today we can expect crude oil to open somewhere near 6,202, which was the yesterday's low and also the next key support zone. For this complete week, we see that crude was taking some support around 6,202 and 6,226. But today, since there was a constant failure and the price was taking a resistance around 6,260, what we can do today is that today is going to be a crucial day for crude oil traders. Only if the price is moving above 6,260. If the price is moving above 6,260, if it is finding a support around 6,226, 6,226, then we can go for buying. If the price is not moving above this key zone of 6,226, if it is finding a breakdown below 6,202, then it is likely to test 6,160. So what we are going to do is that wait for the price. If the price is not moving above 6,226, wait for the price to test 6,160 and 6,120. Go and try to buy near the major next support zone. If you get minor profit, book and exit, because we found a strong resistance in this particular area. So crude can possibly come down to test this key zone. We know that this is 6,120 is going to play a major zone. This is a trend deciding zone. So whenever the price is testing, there will be some momentum, there will be some selling pressure, since the price has got a lot of resistance here. So we made it very clear, if the price is staying above 6,226, you can go for buying, or else if the price is testing the key support zone, you can go for buying. So we are going to test the trend. So now the price is in testing the trend. So wait for that, and till 6120 today also we are expecting crude oil to stay in uptrend buy, but since the price has found some strong resistance around this zone, we are expecting some selling pressure to happen below 6220. So book minor profit whenever you get some profit, book it and exit the market. This is the strategy for today. We want to test crude oil price action. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.